Hello. So, being an insurance agent, it is really important that you are interactive with your leads, your contacts, or your clients, right? So, for example, that you have multiple leads in your Koha level, right? And you maybe just call them sometimes using PowerDellar or Koha level, or you are sending them multiple SMS or emails. It matters, but it is really good that if you send them the birthday message, you wish them on their birthday, you send them an email for birthday, or you send them a message for the birthday greeting, right? So I mean, chances goes really high if they know who you are, or if they have talked with you before, you call them for selling, right? So how would you do an automatic birthday campaign? So let me show you. You have to switch to Koha level, and then you have to go to automations. Now Koha level has already a field of birthday in it, right? So you go to create workflow in order to create the birthday campaign or birthday workflow, and click on continue. Once you're here, you are going to select the trigger. Well, the name is important thing. First of all, just give it a name, proper name. Happy birthday workflow, right? After that, select the trigger as birthday. So HighLevel has native trigger. You don't need to apply any if and else or logics for that. It has already built-in birthday reminder trigger. Now you can if you want to send them a message or email exactly on their birthday, then you don't need to add any filter for that. But if you want to interact with them just one day, few days before the birthday, then you can add the filters, right? So for example, there are few filters: after number of days, before number of days, day is, month is. So let me explain you one by one. So again, if you just want to send them exactly on the day, you don't need to even apply the any filter. But if you want to send them a message or email before 1 day or 2 day, just communicating with them, then you have to select before number of days. So one, right? In that case, if you're sending them 1 day before, you can send them some kind of SMS that, hey, contact first name, I just wanted to be the first one to wish you for your birthday, and I am really sleepy, so can't stay awake till 12. That's why wishing in advance. Happy birthday. Have a great day. And nothing more. If you ask me, I will not sell anything on their birthday. Just trying to build the trying to build the relation with them, right? Similarly, you can send the email as well. So by adding the step of email, and just enter the from name, for example, and then happy birthday in advance. I mean, this is a kind of a different message as well. So you can just write using custom value, hey, contact first name, happy birthday, whatever. It's up to you now. Now, there is another way. For example, you wish them 1 day before, right? Now, for example, after waiting some days, you want to now send them an offer or some kind of interaction message, right? So you can say, wait for 10 days or 15 days, right? So wait for 15 days so that it may not seems like you are selling them. And after that, you can send them another SMS. Hey, contact first name. Let me know if you have any insurance needs. You can give me a call on this number, or you can book an appointment below, and then below you can enter the calendar link, right? So this is the first use case. Now let's say if you want to send them exactly on day, you will just remove it, right? Now, in similar way, you can also use after number of days, right? So, for example, if you want to send, if you are creating something different, you want to send one day after their birthday and say happy belated birthday. I'm sorry, I forgot, because it will just seems like that you are literally doing it manually. It is not being done through the workflow. That you forget their birthday, but you remember, and that's why you're wishing, right? So this is another, it could be another kind of marketing strategy. So you can also use after a number of days if you want. So yeah, give me 1 second. After a number of days. So yeah, now you can also use day is month is. For example, if you want to filter out everyone who has birthday for 5th, right? And this can be done for this could be done in the use cases where you want to filter them out for the pipeline stages and you want to call them, but it is not, honestly, it should not be done here if you're trying to wish them. So I will just skip that part. Now, here's another thing. Instead of sending the email directly through this, you can also create it through the template. You can use any of the template existing one, right? You can go to marketing, you can go to email and templates. So just there on top, there are two templates. So you have to go to emails and templates and then create new and then email marketing template. Here you can search birthday, continue. Yes, you agree with all the terms and conditions and continue. Once it is done, now, well, so you have the birthday template here, and now you can start editing that template. You can just replace the image, you can replace the content if you want to. So your logo here, you can just insert your own logo, right? So this is not the logo, this is link, and you can just either create the image using AI or upload from your media library, right? So you can use any of that image, and then you can just write happy birthday, and then if you want to use custom values, you have to click here in on this custom values option, and you can use contact first name whatsoever, and you can just redirect them to some kind of link if you are trying to sell them. But honestly, I always like to just wish them happy birthday, just to be interactive with them, so that they may not feel that you are selling something. So that's how you build the birthday workflow. Thank you.